It is Baba Ramdev's agitation that's taken a political hue that dominates the newscast here on Times Now, and that's the story we lead with in this edition of the newsroom. He was marching towards Parliament when his cavalcade was stopped by the Delhi police, and Ramdev has now quoted arrest, telling his supporters to remain peaceful, vowing that his movement is far from over.
We have with us Baba Ramdev himself, sir. Baba, जिस तरह से सारी चीजें हो रही हैं, हजारों लोगों का हुजूम यहाँ है, आपको लाया जा रहा है, क्या कहना है आपका?
मैं सब लोगों से कहूंगा, एक दिन का वक्त देश के लिए निकालें और इस काफिले में सम्मिलित होकर के ये बता दे सत्ता वालों को कि पूरा हिंदुस्तान चाहता है काला धन आए, भ्रष्टाचार मिटे, देश महंगाई, गरीबी, भूख, अभाव, बेरोजगारी से मुक्त हो। तो सब लोग अपने अपने घरों से बाहर निकल के इस काफिले में सम्मिलित होकर के इस आंदोलन को ताकत दें और पूरे देश में इस आंदोलन को समर्थन दें।
बाबा, आंदोलन को समर्पित दें, लेकिन जिस तरह से ये आपके सारे सपोर्टर, आपको लगातार आग्रह करना पड़ रहा है बाबा, हिल नहीं रहे हैं ये सारे लोग, क्या कहेंगे? You could see Baba Ramdev is just urging continuously all of these people to move, but all of these people are just not ready to move. We'll ask Baba Ramdev once again, what is his future plans about this? Baba, as you could see, all of these people, Baba, किस तरह से हटाएंगे इन लोगों को? Right, if you could see, it's a constant urging which is happening from here, that Baba Ramdev is urging all of these people. We'll just try to ask them one more question, if Baba could talk, one more question with us. Baba, एक आखिरी सवाल, एक आखिरी सवाल बाबा, क्या आप कुछ पॉलिटिकल करना चाहेंगे बाबा इसके बाद बीजेपी के?
ये विशुद्ध रूप से सामाजिक आध्यात्मिक आंदोलन रहेगा। सामाजिक, सांस्कृतिक, आर्थिक, राजनीतिक परिवर्तन की लड़ाई हम नैतिक धरातल पर रह करके लड़ेंगे।
पर आप इन सबको शांत रखेंगे बाबा?
शांत रखेंगे।
So that was Baba Ramdev for you in a very mix. He's just trying to urge all of these people. As you can see, we are right on top of a bus right now. He's trying to calm everyone down, but as a matter of fact, all of these people just not allowing Baba to go and quote arrest. Aishwarya Kapoor for Times Now.
Tavleen joining us from Bhavana now. Tavleen, describe to us what's the scene on ground. Is it tough for the police to control those people, because more than 5,000 of Ramdev supporters have quoted arrest, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely. But Anand, let me give you a brief account of what exactly is happening here. That is the particular gate from where this is the Bhavana makeshift jail, from where the protesters are being brought in. Remember, right now about 3 buses have only arrived. We are being told about 10 to 15 more of these buses will be coming. You can see the police presence there. Apart from that, there are also more supporters, few of supporters who are stationed outside the gate of Bhavana Stadium because of the fact that because of security reasons, none of them are being allowed to come inside and protest. They are also wanting to protest inside. And if my cameraperson Ahmed can also show you the buses there where these 50 to 150 people were brought in just a couple of hours ago. Those were the first 3 buses that arrived at Bhavana jail, the makeshift jail here. The supporters of Baba Ramdev arrived here with them, but it'll take at least 2 to 3 hours before we see Yog Guru Baba Ramdev arrive here. Let me give you a picture of the number of police personnel that have been deployed here. You can see the images that we're showing to you as of now. Lot of police presence, and that is the particular gate, if my camera person can show you, that is the gate from where all the protesters are being taken in, the supporters are being taken in, all of them who have quoted arrest along with Yog Guru Baba Ramdev.